So go to Google and type this www.rproject.org. Have you done yesterday this? Have you downloaded the software? If yes, please show me the thumb. Otherwise, I can't go ahead. If not, please, today you have to download this software. Okay. So you please start on your computer to start to download this software www.rproject.org. There is one option in the R project of statistical computing. Download R. Go to that download R. There will be exe file and you have to save that software in C drive. Okay. So today we are learning something about R. So R is a programming language and software environment of statistical computing and graphics. This is a very, it is as a calculator. This software is very sensitive. And the base part of R comes after a wide range of standard statistical and graphical analyzing built in. And there are large number of user developed extension package which provide an even rich set of capabilities. Means this R is used for the big data set. So overview and history of R. R was originally written by Ross Ika and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland. Almost 4 decades ago, AT&T Bell Laboratories developed a data handling language. And first it was a S language. After that, it's become a R language. So it is implemented of the S language, which was principally developed by John Chambers, and 1998, the Association of Computing Machinery gave John Chambers the software award for S. This is basically very important software. Nobody will going to teach you this software, and I am also learn myself with R&D, and nobody will teach you this software. So please be careful. Please download this software on your computer, whatever the section, before we are beginning to the testing statistical test. We have to go through some basics, so you only come to know what is how to operate this software. This is a very simple software, but you have to do very carefully because this is sensitive. They are not going to take you small alphabets, large alphabets. That is what it is the character sensitive software. They took S is a different direction and developed its free fair version, and they called it R. Version of R exists of Windows, MacOS, and Linux, various other Unix flavors. The training, first is the data type. There is 3 parts, and after that there is a subsetting data, how to subsetting and how the data type is. The how to enter the data. The usual data types available in are known as modes. It is called modes, and modes will be Boolean true or false, and numerical is integer or real number. Complex means real plus imaginary number. We'll see later what is imaginary, what is Boolean. Have you heard about the Boolean, numeric, complex, real, imaginary number in your up to the 12th standard? I think so. After that, the type of command at the prompt, that is less than sign, and press key enter. The interpreted response by executing the command. So our language includes the usual arithmetic operation with usual hierarchy. So first data type is following a table shown the common operator. This is an operator and this is a function. If there is a plus sign, so it is addition. If minus, that is subtraction, and that's this is asterisk sign is for multiplication, and this bar is division, and this exponential sign is where we are using the exponential distribution, or you have to make a square. For that, this sign will use for that. Okay, so here's some simple example of arithmetic in R. So if you have to enter the this 2 plus 7, it gives the vector 1 and the answer is 9. So after entering 2 plus 7 at the prompt, the pressing the enter key, we get the output is 9. The symbol 1 in the output indicates a vector. So remember, this is called, in our language, this is vector. Next is the operator. This is less than and minus sign is known as assignment operator. Whenever you are going to assign some variable to that operation, it is called assignment operator. It assigns the value of expression on right to object on left. Okay. It is always better to specify the order of evaluation of the expression by the parenthesis. For example, here we are given some example, x and operating sign 2 plus 7. So output is, if you have to see the output, just press x. So it gives the vector 1, that plus is addition, whatever the addition is. So it is 9. So 4, if I want to do the operation 4 square minus 6. So 4 square is 4, that exponential sign minus 3 into 2. So this is 10. This is simple operation. So anybody can do this operations, but you have to know the basic knowledge how to do this in R. So 2 square minus 3, it is 0.125. This is like that. If you are downloading the R software, so please right now you can download. So side by side you can do the operation. If there any query, so I can solve that query side by side. So this is 1 minus 2 into 3. So it gives the vector. In answer, it is in vector only. So it is minus 3. Preliminaries, where we are going to learn the R, there is some preliminaries operation that we have to understand. Assignment operator, as mentioned earlier, as uses the assignment operator, that less than sign and minus to give a data object or any other object, it gives the value to that assignment operator. The operator may also be used, however, with the minus sign and greater than operator, the assignment is from left to right. So for example, x is less than minus 2. This is assignment operator. This is nothing. After that, this if you assigning this 2 value to this x, so above command assign the value 2 to object x. If I give the exactly opposite that sign, so x square 2 is equal to y. So this command assign the value of x square to object y. So if a command is not complete at the end of line, you see the plus sign. If the command is not fully operated, if you enter the button, there is give the plus sign, means that command is not fully operated. You have to complete that command. So command separated by semicolon. This colon, if you give some command x operated to, you have to give semicolon. Okay, so this command assign the x square of object y, or you can give another command here. Comments will be line starting with the hash marks. Text to right of hash ignored by interpreter. If you want to give some command, it will not consider in the R language. So you have to give, if you want to write some note in that operation, this means I have given this p value, or we are doing the testing here. So we have, for that we are giving this hash sign, this sign. Now comparison of operator. Following table shown the available comparison operators. First operator is less than, comparison is greater than, sorry, it is greater than, comparison is greater than. If it is less than sign, it is less than. less than and equal to is greater than or sorry, greater than and equal to is greater than or equal, less than and equal to is less than or equal, and double equal to is equal. If you give the single equal to sign, it will not consider it is equal to. Okay, if I were to operate this, 2 is equal to 0, so I have to write 2, this sign double equal to, and this and equal to 0. This is a logical. It is not equal to, this approximate and equal to sign, it gives it is not equal to 0. If I give the example 2 is not equal to 0, so I have to put this operation 2 approximate sign is equal to and then 0. So it consider and it is not equal to 0. Then only logical operation is this approximate sign, which is logically not and logically and, or this stand horizontal line is logical or. There is a basic classes of objects. First is numeric. Real number is called numeric in R, and for example x operating assigning 2.567. If I want to see the output x, it gives vector 1 2.567. Have you seen other are you able to see the screen, right?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
show me the,
Yes, ma'am.
because my current is electricity is gone. That's why I'm asking you. So x is equal to 2.567. If I want to check the class of that particular object, mean class of x, so it shows as this number is numeric. Okay. So if you put x operating sign 2.567, so it shows answer is 2.567 and the class is numeric. So numeric is the default computational data type. Even if we assign the integer to a variable, it is still being saved as a numeric value. Okay. Examples, second example is y is equal to 3. If you give the class is also, it is given a numeric number. Next is integer. To create an integer variable in R, as dot integer function is used. If we are using in R, so we have to specifically give that number. This is the integer number. So as dot integer, it's operating function for that particular operation. So x is as integer 9. So if you give the answer is 9. If you ask the class of that particular x, it shows it is integer because we have already assigned here x is an integer. If you are not assigning anything, it consider a class numeric object. Okay. So we can also use as is dot integer and parenthesis function to verify whether given variable is integer or not. If you want to check what is the class of that particular variable, we have to give this kind of a function. Is dot integer is x. If it is true, then it gives the answer is true. If the sentence, there is no sentence, there is only number, I have put here is dot integer is sentence, so it gives the answer is false. Is that integer is y, because y is not, we are consider y over here. This is a numeric object. We are not assigning any operator over here. So it by default, it considers numeric. And I am asking this, it integer y is integer. So it gives the answer is false. Now the third type is a complex value in R defined via the pure imaginary value of I. So Z is equal to 2 plus 3i. I can be anything. It is imaginary number. Okay, it can be 0, 1, 2. So class of Z is complex. Now the fourth type is logical true and false. Generally a logical value created via comparison between variables. So example is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 7. So z is equal to x less than y. So what is the value of z? So it is logical, it is true. This y is greater than x. So it gives the logical class is logical and the value is If you see it's give the expression is true because y is greater than x. Now character or string. A character object is used to present string value in R. We convert objects into character value with as character dot function. If, for example, the movie name is Moneyball, so and year is, we are going to assign a movie name, whatever you want to put there, and we are just giving some example, and year is 2011. The class of movie is character because we are going to, here it is string variable. Yesterday we saw what is string, what is numeric. Okay, because after that when we are going to test the data set, they will be asking you in our software what is the character variable, what is numeric, then only we can assign any test for this particular data. So that is why this is very important. The class of movie is character. If we are going to assign a name, if it is gender male and female, so class of that gender is character. In class of the year is, it shows, and this is in the inverted comma. So it is, we have to assign the character variable in to inverted comma, then it consider a character. If it is numeric, no need to assign any inverted comma, so it is numeric. So year as character year, so class of year is character. Data type part 2 is this is a vector. Vector is a sequence of object that same basic class, that is a vector can be numeric, integer, character, logical or complex. The function C means combine into parentheses is used to construct a vector from elements, and combined parenthesis function is also used for appending elements into a vector. So we'll see the example A. It's C means this is, we have to combine these three variables into one object. So C is Python, Java, C++. So it gives the answer one vector. This is Python, Java and C++. And class of A means this is a character. If B is combine A, it will not take A then. A, and in the parenthesis, in inverted comma, this R and Spark. So B is Python, Java, C++, R and Spark. So class of B is the character. If you want to combine all the data, you have to use this C and this parenthesis and put data inside that bracket. If it is numeric or if it is character. If it is character, you have to give this inverted comma. So R also provide the function vector to construct a vector of certain length and class. Vector can be indexed by position. For example, the vector mode is equal to numeric and length is 7. So what is the length of B? So it gives the 7, and class of B is numeric because it is showing, we have to give it it is vector. So example, in this example, this is combined Python, Java, C++. What is the position of this Java? Means A is, this is first row. So what A, 2 is second vector. So A parenthesis 2 is, it gives the address of this Java. So it gives what is in that particular address. So in that particular address, this is Java. If you type A1, so it gives the answer Python. A3, so it gives C++. सब ऊपर से जा रहा है क्या?
हेलो मैम.
हाँ
मैम वो कैरेक्टर वाला नहीं समझा.
कौन सा ये?
नहीं मैम, जो कैरेक्टर की जो स्लाइड है उसका जो सेकंड एग्जांपल बताया आपने न्यूमेरिक वाला,
हाँ
वो नहीं समझा.
ये नहीं समझा? ओके गुड. Movie is, we have defined in the Moneyball. So it is string object, right? It is string. We are given some name through the movie. It is not numeric, okay? And हमने उसको comma में रखा है. Then only they can decide this is character, okay? And the year is 2011. So 2011 is numeric. Okay. If you give the class of year, so it gives a numeric because this is numeric object. And this is the character object. If you ask R to give this class of movie or class of year, it gives. Have you download the R?
नहीं मैम.
So क्यों नहीं किया? अभी तक हो जाता था. So side by side तुम लोग करते और मुझे पता भी चलता कि if you understand or not. Otherwise this is waste. On this basis, we are going to solve the other problems. So please try to understand. Please download the data. Nobody is going to teach R. अगर अब ये जो ऑपरेशंस है वो आप दैट इज ओनली फॉर 5 मिनट्स डाउनलोड करने के लिए सिर्फ 5 मिनट लगता है. इफ यू आर डाउनलोडिंग नाउ प्लीज डू इट एंड साइड बाय साइड यू कैन डू दिस ऑपरेशंस आल्सो.
Yes ma'am.
Anyways, I am going to share this slide so you can do the practice on this with this examples, right?
Ma'am, I have installed R, but how to put these commands? I am not getting it.
Okay, I will share the screen. Open किया R? मैं एक ये विंडो दिख रहा है?
Yes.
R में ये विंडो दिख रहा है ना?
Yes.
हाँ. Put something X operating command and 2 and then again X. It gives a vector X to answer. आया?
No, ma'am.
ऐसा स्क्रीन नहीं आ रहा है?
मैम ऐसा स्क्रीन आ रहा है पर जब मैंने x का वैल्यू 2 डाला तो नहीं आ रहा है.
कैसे डाला 2?
x
ग्रेटर देन ऑपरेटिंग ऑपरेटर डालना है और माइनस साइन.
हाँ मैम, x लेस देन -2. तो उसमें कुछ भी नहीं आया.
कुछ तो रॉन्ग हो रहा है. x plus 2 x is equal to डालो x is equal to 2 and see the answer is, but it will not work every time, so you have to use that operating sign.
मैम एंटर दबाना पड़ेगा ना उसके बाद.
हाँ एंटर तो डाल.
मैम बट एंटर दबा रहा हूँ तो फिर वो नेक्स्ट कमांड के लिए वेट कर रहा है. इट इज
हाँ, so you have to give assign a command again x.
हाँ, now it is showing.
Yeah.
Yes. तो मैम कमांड के बाद हमको नेक्स्ट कमांड x डालना पड़ता है क्या?
Because we have to see the answer of that particular. उसको कैसे पता चलेगा कि what they are asking for? We have assigned the operator x for that 2. Okay.
Yes मैम, अब आ रहा है.
Character किया. Let's put this value. Wait. Are you able to see the screen of that's R?
Yes ma'am.
This movie is equal to Moneyball. Year is equal to 2011.
हेलो मैम।
हाँ बोलो।
मैम ये आर का फुल फॉर्म नहीं है क्या कुछ
आर का फुल फॉर्म
इसमें?
कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव आर आर्चिव नेटवर्क होता है। आर का फुल फॉर्म वैसे होता नहीं है। आर इज अ
मैम
सॉफ्टवेयर, उन्होंने एस के बाद दिया है। जो क्रैन लाइब्रेरी है उसमें कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव आर आर्चिव नेटवर्क ऐसे बोलते हैं। कौन सा एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व किया आपने? ये करके देखा? Everybody is doing it or only one person is doing it? I'm posting this command. Okay. You can copy in from the chat box.
मैम वर्क कर रहा है ये वाला पूरा कमांड।
वर्क कर रहा है, so तुमको पता चल गया कि कैसे how it will work. And this combine statement. सबने डाउनलोड कर दिया यार? नहीं। शो से समथिंग, नो प्रॉब्लम, अनम्यूट करके बोलो या तो चैट बॉक्स में बोलो। Everybody has internet, so there is no problem. It's take only 5 minutes to download the R. Why I'm telling you, because this is side by side. If you can do it, you will come to know what is going on. Otherwise, after that you will also forget क्या मैम ने पढ़ाया था. अभी थोड़ा सा बोरिंग लगेगा, लेकिन आफ्टर व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू टेस्ट योर ड्रग्स और पेशेंट्स, तो इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल, क्योंकि तुम लोगों को मैन्युअली कैलकुलेशन करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. बस यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द लॉजिक बिहाइंड द टेस्ट. करिश्मा करके है. हेलो, आर यू हियरिंग?
यस मैम।
आपने डाउनलोड किया?
यस मैम, वो बफरिंग हो रहा है मैम, डाउनलोड हो रहा है अभी,
ओके.
टाइम लग रहा है।
So should I move forward?
मैम
हम्म.
ये जो वेक्टर वाला पार्ट है वो नहीं समझा, मतलब व्हाट इज दिस वेक्टर?
This is, if you, ये साइन दिख रहा है?
ये
मैट्रिक्स. व्हेन वी आर जनरेटिंग अ मैट्रिक्स, तो हम क्या करते हैं, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं. देखो, इट इज कॉल्ड वेक्टर, सो इट्स गिव्स द आंसर इन द वेक्टर ओनली. ओके. हमने 12th में मैट्रिक्स किया था, उसपे मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन, यू हैव टू ऐड.
मैम 11th 12th मैथ्स नहीं था।
अच्छा, तुम लोगों का मैथ्स नहीं था.
कुछ
Okay.
लोगों का था, कुछ लोगों का नहीं था।
So there is one column row wise operation रहता है. So first row is first vector, second row is second vector. थोड़ा सा difficult जाएगा, but it is quite interesting. यहाँ तक हुआ है? हो गया, डाउनलोड हो गया था? Then I will share these slides with you people in Google form, so you can try all the operations in the R. इसके पहले कोई सॉफ्टवेयर पढ़ा है?
नो मैम।
ओके, 4.0.4 RI.386 जिसने क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि कौन सा वर्जन डाउनलोड करें, जो भी नया दिख रहा है वहां पर 4.0.4 वो डाउनलोड करो।
मैम एक बार ना हमको मतलब जैसे आपने शुरुआत में वो कुछ टेबल्स दिखाए थे जिसमें उनकी वैल्यूज थी, सेमीकोलन वाला एंड वो जो सारे थे वो एक बार हमको ट्राई करना रहेगा। मतलब वी नीड टू नो हाउ दोज वर्क। जैसे यहाँ पर इज और एज हमने यूज कर लिया अभी, सो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वो कैसे यूज करेंगे।
ये बोल रहे हैं ना?
हाँ यस मैम, ये हैशटैग और डॉट वगैरह।
हाँ, दिस इज द ऑपरेटर। ये हमको कंपलसरी डालना ही है। ओके, यू हैव टू असाइन सम वेरिएबल टू दैट पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन, सो ये वी हैव टू यूज दिस। Okay, and then this hashtag, if I want to write some means I have done this multiplication or subtraction, you have to make that sentence over there, so you have to use this parenthesis। this ट्राई करो, अगर पैरेंथेसिस मत दो और कुछ लिखो और एंटर करो क्या मैसेज आता है, एंड देन दिस हैशटैग देके कुछ भी लिखना है, जो लिखना है वो लिखो और बाद में एंटर करो, पता चल जाएगा कि क्या होता है। And if you give the semicolon, so that command is complete and you can write next command to the next that same line। okay,
मतलब मैम उसके लिए एंटर नहीं दबाना पड़ेगा हमको?
नहीं, ट्राई
डायरेक्ट
करके देखो, डायरेक्ट वो सेमीकोलन दोगे और y इज इक्वल टू 3 दो और x इज इक्वल टू 7 दे दो एंड सेमीकोलन बीच में रखना, यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस। किया? और अभी सेमीकोलन मत देना और वैसे ही करना, आंसर देगा नहीं।
हाँ मैम वो दिखा रहा है, दोनों के वैल्यू दिखा रहा है।
So this is all basic operation. Okay, then फिर अपने को पूरा ये करना है। श्रीष को आ गया शायद से, इसीलिए खुश हो रही है। हाँ
हाँ मैम अभी हो गया।
ओके गुड।
मैम ये
So-
डॉट का क्या फंक्शन होता है?
व्हाट डॉट्स? क्या कौन सा?
मैम शायद डॉट भी था ना, ये जैसे वेक्टर 9 के बाद में, वो इज इट अ फुल स्टॉप?
करके देखो, आता है वो तो आंसर लेता है, आई थिंक वो बाय डिफॉल्ट आ गया,
ओके
लेकिन ऐसे आता नहीं है। इट इज मे बी माय टाइपो एरर। इफ यू पुट दैट x एंड आउटपुट देखेंगे तो 9 डॉट नहीं आता,
हाँ मैम सिर्फ 9 आ रहा है।
9 ही आता है। सो इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है या नहीं?
मैम आप समझ रहे हैं तो अच्छा लग रहा है।
हाँ, इसीलिए मैंने बोला कि आप पहले डाउनलोड करो। मैं सिर्फ बड़बड़ बड़बड़ कर रही हूँ, तुमको बाद में भूल जाओगे, सो इट डजंट मीन। सो नेक्स्ट ये करना है, कैरेक्टर देखा करके गिव एनी नेम टू दैट पर्टिकुलर, कुछ भी लिखो, x इज इक्वल टू इन वो सेमी अपने पैरेंथेसिस अपना इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में कुछ भी नाम लिखो एंड ईयर लिखो एंड उसकी क्लास देखो। जा रही हूँ स्लाइड्स में। ये कैरेक्टर वाला हो क्या? जो भी कर रहे हैं उनका कैरेक्टर, हैव यू डन विद द कैरेक्टर ऑपरेटिंग? So next is the vector. This is the EV, I think so. That is also done. The next is part 2 vector, and this is vector index multiplying. Yeah. So this is again vector can be indexed by multiplying position and thus returning the sub vector. So here it is. We are given the Python, Java, and C++. We have to call that particular Java and C++. So how to write? You have to give the address of that particular vector, that is A. A is stored in second and third position, that Java and C++. So it gives the answer Java and C++. Vector can also be given name, therefore can also be indexed by their names. So it is combine Python, Java and C++. So it gives the answer Python, Java, C++. You have to check what is the class of that particular operator, that is particular object, that is dot vector is A, it gives answer a true. Is that vector A is, what is that vector A? If you have to the reverse question, so Python, Java and C++. So in that particular object A, that in there is Python, Java, C++. This is a vector and it is 2. And what is that object is Python, Java and C++. Other basic function involving is vector are is dot vector and as dot vector. So you can check the class using this two functions. Next is list. List is a special type of vector that can contain object of different classes. So list function, list and parenthesis function in used to create and populate the list. So have you here it is A is example list of Google, Yahoo, Gmail, and we are giving the 2001, 2004, and it is true. So A is it gives double square parenthesis, so it gives Google, Yahoo and Gmail, because I want to see what is in the first vector, and in second vector there is only 2001 and 2004, and in the next, see here it is true. So it is when you are doing in R, then only you will come to know मैंने ऐसे दिया है तो it is will not be understandable very easily. You have to do in R software, then only you come to know what is going on. So it gives the list. List can be indexed by position, or we can also extract the sub list from the list, which is also known as the list slicing. यहाँ पे हमने 3 slice देखे. First, this is second, and this is third. So we have to call first slice. So we have to give this command that a parenthesis, double parenthesis, and second position. So it gives you an answer 2001 and 2004. And if you give the a and first position, it gives Google, Yahoo, and Gmail, like that. And if you call A3, it gives only 1. And for that 1 is true. That third position is true. There is the true value is stored. The third, after that, the list can be also given name, therefore can be also indexed by their names. So I have given A to that particular object, the year. So what is, if $, if year kiya, so we have given that to year ko 2001 and 2004. Is 2001 and 2004 ko हमने assign किया था इस year से. Okay, so we have to call by $, and year. So it gives the value 2001 and 4. Okay, so A, double parenthesis, square parenthesis, and the inverted comma में year लिखा है, तो it gives that particular value 2001 and 4. I am assigning the name for that operator, assigning element of the list. The first company ka name, we have not given any name for that Google, Yahoo, and Gmail. Now I am assigning a name, so $, company name. So it gives the answer Google, Yahoo, and Gmail. Next is the matrix. A matrix is a collection of data element arranged in 2-dimensional rectangular layout. Abhi मैंने बोला कि if somebody has learned this matrix, and I don't know, and instead of single index, we can use 2 indexes. One representing a row and the second is representing a column. So row means horizontally लिखते हैं, and column is in that particular row. उसके नीचे हम we are writing a column. So all rows and column of matrix must have the same class. If मुझे अगर 2 by 2 लिखना है, तो that row should be 2 numbers and column should be in the 2 numbers. So it is given particular matrix. So like this. So for example, in matrix function is used to construct a matrix. In R, matrix is an initial by NA. So not applicable. So A, assigning a matrix, number of rows is 3 and number of column is 2. If you give the answer A, so it shows NA, NA, NA. So for how many number of rows is there? 1, 2, 2, and 3, and column 1, 2, 3. Column, if it is column, so comma 1 and comma 2. So this is column, and 1 comma is, this is row. So it takes, how R it takes, first is row, first number is row always, and second number is column. We have not assigned any number, so it gives NA value, because in is NA row में मैंने कुछ लिखा ही नहीं है. If you are given 2, 3, 4, comma, n column is whatever the numbers, so it will show in this box, but we have not given any number, so it is showing only NA. So you understand this number of rows and column?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a matrix. Again, this is initializing. Now we have given these numbers to that particular matrix. So it should be, मुझे अभी लिख रहा है कि 2 by 4 का matrix करना है, means 2 rows and 4 columns. I have to divide all these numbers in 2 rows and 4 columns. So I have given this first. I have stored that variables in this prime object. Okay. Then I call the matrix in particular format. So I use the n rows is equal to 2 and n column is equal to 4. So it is give this matrix. So we can also declare the initialize matrix using a vector dot matrix. Function will take vector and insert them in matrix in column wise fashion. Okay. If you try this, I will share it. If you first try this, then you will come to know how the matrix will perform in the R software.
मैम
हाँ,
ये जो रो और कॉलम वाला है इसमें डू वी हैव टू कंपल्सरीली राइट n रो बिफोर एंड n कॉलम लेटर, या फिर हम एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं, n कॉलम पहले लिख सकते हैं?
लिख सकते,
ओके
जैसे भी लिख सकते, लेकिन n रोज एंड 2 उसमें रोज भी नहीं आएगा. ओके, n ROW ऐसे ही लिखना है.
ओके मैम.
अगर ये दिस वी हैव रिटन यहाँ पर अगर मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट लिख दिया है, इफ यू डायरेक्टली कंबाइन दिस नंबर एंड रिटन ओवर हियर, दैट विल आल्सो वर्क.
मैम बट व्हाट इज दिस प्राइम मतलब?
Prime is I have given any name to this particular matrix. Okay, I have stored this number. We can give XYZ also. Understood?
So ma'am, do we have to write it in a sequence?
This is not sequence. I have given any number anywhere. Sequence in R sequence is different. If I give 1, that 2 dots and 10, so it is take a sequence in R. So it is not sequence. I have given randomly any number. It's combine all the number in one matrix. I have to perform 2 by 4 का matrix generate करना है. If you want to perform 4 by 2, so that number ये पूरा split हो जाएगा. ये आप अगर करके देखोगे तो number of rows के यहाँ पे आप 4 लिख दो और 2 लिख दो. So that number will divide.
So ma'am, we can say कि जो मैट्रिक्स के अंदर का डाटा है, we have named it as prime, and now बार बार वो नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा. We just have to write prime so that it comes in the matrix directly. Okay ma'am.
Okay. Because मैंने उस particular array को एक name में store कर दिया है.
Okay ma'am.
अगर वो नहीं लिखना है prime, so you have directly write C 1 3 5 7 11 यहाँ पे लिख सकते. This should be here. अब मैं हर बार मुझे अगर जल्दी जल्दी करना है तो मैं हर बार किसी को वो नाम देते नहीं बैठूंगी, सजाते नहीं बैठूंगी, डायरेक्टली मैट्रिक्स डाल दूंगी और मुझे करना है. Because when we are going to use the chi-square variable, so we have to perform a matrix. Then only it will work in R. आपको सेंसिटिविटी स्पेसिफिसिटी वगैरह है?
Ma'am, regarding what?
Regarding your subject only, how to calculate sensitivity or specificity of particular drugs or something?
No ma'am.
किया है, मैन्युअली कैलकुलेट किया या सब्जेक्ट में किसी आया है?
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ओके, ठीक है. We will now we will stop here. I think so. Your next class is there. Yeah.
Ma'am, how can we access these? I mean, we want to practice these commands, so we'll need this data somewhere, no?
Yeah, I will share this data today.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. आपका कुछ क्लास है अभी?
Ma'am, 12:30 को है, and we have a lunch break by then, so 12:30 we'll have to join to another class.
Okay, okay, fine. So we will stop here.
Students, you are requested to join on time for Dhruv at 12:30. Okay,
we'll-
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
We'll share. I will share these slides with you guys. Okay. Thank you.